Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Hi, Pooja. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm doing very well. I'm excited to meet you. How did your day go?
It was going good. Little bit,
Mhm.
I am not feeling well. Actually, I'm having a fever. So,
Oh, okay. So, are you feeling uh, fit enough to continue with the sessions because you'll have to speak for the
yes,
next 20 minutes? Is that okay?
no problem. I'm too good with the talk. Like I'm too much talkative, so it's not much time. I can talk more than 1 hour
Wow, that's
consistently.
great. I love it when learners are talkative. I enjoy those kind of conversations because I don't have to constantly push you speak because you automatically naturally speak more. I really enjoy those kind of conversations.
Yes, actually, yet I got the compliment from the tutor that you are the talkative person and you are good with the communication
Hmm.
and you are like full of energy. So
Yeah. Okay, that's nice. That's amazing. So, what are the areas in which you feel like you have to improve? Personally, right? Some of the strengths of yours you know already. What are some areas of improvement that you require, in your own opinion?
actually, right now I improved a lot, but
Mhm.
before, I can say the before 6 months ago, I
Mhm.
am not able to speak.
Mhm.
In my mind, I think that I know English, like I know the sentence structure and also vocabulary, but from the like front of people, I am hesitate most. I think like I am little bit image conscious person. So
Mhm.
each a each and every area, always think that if I do this thing, what people think in every manner, like any education, anything. If I'm doing, first
Yeah.
I think.
Hmm.
So this is my problem. So I always try to think, do that when I am perfect and when I am
Yeah.
good, then I will speak. You know,
Okay.
so
Right.
before speaking I am not able to understand that I am speaking wrong or right. So that's the problem I'm facing before 6 months. But now
Hmm.
I am a little bit confident to speak,
Hmm.
like if I am speaking wrong, but I'm
Hmm.
speaking. So this
Okay.
is I
Very
am
good.
improving.
Very nice. Great. I'm so glad that you have done this analysis and you know what are your strengths, what are the areas in which you have to maybe work a little harder. I'm very happy. Okay. So cool. Let's continue with
Thank you.
today's session. Would you like to go ahead with the session topic, or do you have any other questions, any other topics that you want to discuss?
Not we can talk, but I don't have such dream kind of like because, but we can talk because talking about the dream right now
Yeah.
I don't see dream because now I am so much a little bit real, so I understand the dream is you can't see the dream like. But if you are saying that at you are sleeping and you are dreaming in,
Hmm.
and I analyze that thing that if you are healthy with your physically and
Hmm.
mentally and emotionally,
Hmm.
this major element work on the dream. Like if you are healthy physically
Okay, okay. I'm so
and
sorry. You have to repeat that again, please. You said if you're healthy, then what? I couldn't understand that. Can you
I
rephrase it?
yes, actually I'm saying that what is the dream and how they can come, like so depend on your condition. If you are happy
Hmm.
mentally, emotionally and physically, is you are healthy, then you
Yeah.
will get a good dream and
Okay, very
nice
well.
dream.
Yeah.
Understand? And
Yeah.
if you are not well
Hmm.
mentally and emotionally, you are drawn or you are feeling not well,
Hmm.
so you will get a bad dream.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
And also your
What
health
is
is
the
not.
word for bad dreams? What can you call a bad dream? You can call it a nightmare.
Yes, nightmare.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
because I also felt that, when I am I was in a school, that time
Hmm.
I got a very nice dream and happy about that time. If I got any nightmares, but I that time
Yeah.
I don't I was not scared.
Okay.
because
Yeah.
I am internally strong, physically and mentally, emotionally. That time, full of each and everything is good.
Hmm.
But if I am talking right now, so little bit I am not well mentally. Also, I am disturbed. So
Hmm.
everybody, and also emotionally. So you will get that type of dream, like you are not happy and you feel sometimes scared from your nightmares, or whatever you see in your dream is all the presentation of your like what is going on your life, because you are not saying that thing, but already is going on your head subconsciously.
Hmm.
Everything is going, so that's come in our nightmare, like, and also your dream.
Okay, got it. Okay, yeah, that's true. That's a very good thing that you mentioned. If physically and mentally we are healthy, the dreams will definitely be pleasant. But if physically and mentally we are not doing that well, it will definitely affect the kind of dreams that we have, right? So, very nice. And you gave a good
Yeah, you
example
are,
for that.
and you are like yeah, like physically strong or healthy, you can say the healthy and emotionally also healthy, then
Hmm.
nightmare will not affect you. You forget very easily, and you don't remember even. But you
Yeah.
are disturbed, then it will affect. So this is
Hmm.
I got understand about the day.
Okay, fine. Thanks for sharing your views on it. So, in English, there is a very famous saying, which is early to bed, early to rise makes a person healthy, wealthy, and wise. So, have you heard this before?
Yes, I heard, but this is the thing that I don't follow, because I'm too much a like evening person. I love to
You're an
like
evening person. That's so unique. I've never heard anybody call themselves an evening person, but this is very unique.
because
Go on.
I'm too much active in
Hmm.
the evening. If you will
In the
say, you
evening.
will say me
Hmm.
like you have to you have to sleep more than after the 1 p.m. on like 1 a.m. I will
Sorry, I
okay, but
didn't catch it. Can you repeat it? What did you say
like you
earlier?
will say that you have to sleep after 1 a.m. or
Uh,
2 a.m. like Ryan at night.
who
I'm
says that?
totally okay with. Suppose
Okay.
anybody say, but if you are saying
Huh.
me that you have to awake at 6 a.m. or 7, little bit, I'm not okay. But that's because of this thing, I always heard from my mother little bit hot word.
Okay, yeah. So you have to say like this, okay? If you suddenly say, you say, I have to wake up at 1 a.m., then it got me confused. Like, who told you? You have to say, if somebody tells me to wake up at or sleep at 1 a.m., you have to use that conditional form in the sentence. If
Okay.
someone tells you something, then I will not do it, or then I will do it. So, whatever your situation is, okay? You have to speak in the conditional form. Got it? Okay, very well. So, fine. So, okay, at what time do you normally wake up? And what is your routine during the first half of the day?
Like I wake up right now, I'm little bit wake up late, actually 8:30.
Today, I have woken a little bit late.
Not today, actually. Nowadays, I wake up
A
late.
little late. Okay,
When
nowadays you wake
suppose
up late. Okay. Mm-hmm.
because when I was working, now I am right now. I am not working, so that time I only woke up early. Also, you can't say early, like a 7 a.m. I woke up and just freshen up and eat some, and then went for the
Eat
office.
some what? Eat some what? You have to complete the
Eat like
sentence.
breakfast.
Yes, yes. You have to complete the sentence. I eat some breakfast and then I leave. Correct?
Yes. And today I can say that I woke up at
Hmm.
8:30. Then I went to washroom and freshen up.
Hmm.
Then
And
I make
freshened up.
my and then I make my like breakfast, lunch, and then after that I take a bath, or I have
I took
ready
bath.
for the. I took bath and then I ready for the session.
Okay, fine. So great. I feel like if we accomplish more activities during the first half of the day, in the evening we can relax more. But if I wake up very late someday, if I wake up say at 11 a.m., 11:30 a.m. on the weekend, then my work will extend till late in the night because I've been lazy in the morning. So
Yes,
I
ma'am.
generally prefer waking up early. Okay, cool. And do you consider yourself an early right? No, no. There's one word, no. Night owl or an early bird. So you are an evening person, I know. But if I give you only two options, being a night owl or an early bird, what would you like to choose?
What is the difference between night owl? Oh, actually, night owl or early night owl?
Night owl. Okay, I'll just put the word in the chat. Night owl, and the second word was early bird. Okay, Barly space bird.
Mhm.
Okay, so you
Night
would
owl.
consider night owl. Okay, great. So do you like binge watching shows late in the night, or do you like snacking in the night, or talking to your friend maybe? What do you like to do?
Nowadays, I little bit change my routine
Mm-hmm.
because now I am focusing my communication. So I didn't tell you that I am also a YouTuber. I upload the sessions video and also English related video.
Okay.
So I do some I make some video regarding English and then I put on the YouTube. And also I talk on the we have lots of where like lots of app where we can talk co-learner who want to
Yeah.
learn English. So I
Yes.
also do practice, and also I watch kids story like cartoon story in English, and also I little bit work on the sentence structure and vocabulary things, and I also watch sometimes comedy in
Mm.
English. The stand-up
Okay.
comedies nowadays so much popular, so I also
Who's your
watch.
favorite stand-up comedian? Even I am a big fan of stand-up comedy, both Indian and international performers or comedians. Who do you like?
There is many, but now one is a more Jakir, who's Jakir something now. I
Yeah,
don't
of
know.
course. Zakir.
Jakir,
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
and there is many on YouTube.
So Zakir Khan is one of the finest stand-up
Yes,
comedians of
yes,
our country. One of the finest, right? So
yes,
apart
yes.
from him, anybody else?
I watch, but I don't have remember because I don't watch like one comedian.
Hmm.
Whatever I get, I watch.
Okay, cool.
I
Great.
also watch USA reaction, who give reaction on our Indian like Bollywood movies and also
Right.
Indian culture. So I also used to watch.
I watch, not I used to watch, I watch because you do that even
I
now,
watch.
right? Regularly. Okay,
Yes,
very
yes,
good.
I watch.
Since you like stand up comedy so much, I can recommend one stand up comedian who performs in English. Okay, I'll put the name in the chat box. The name is Kanan Gill. So you can definitely check out his stand up comedy shows. It's available on YouTube, Amazon Prime, Netflix. He's everywhere. So I think you will enjoy his shows. So just try to give it a watch. Okay. Okay. So
Thank you.
he's super funny and
Definitely I
very
will watch.
entertaining. Yeah, yeah. Okay, great. So, do you want feedback, Pooja, or you're here just to practice and build your confidence?
No, ma'am. I also want feedback. I also want question like
Hmm.
suppose who want to speak English,
Yeah.
but you don't get a platform. For whom you tell me, how can I improve alone? If I am alone and I have to speak practice my English speaking, so how can I do? So give me a little bit idea.
Okay. So there are two things that you can do. And the first one is try to describe the things around you in English. When you wake up in the morning and you describe the weather, right? अरे आज तो लगता है बारिश होने वाली है, आज इतनी ठंड है. So we say that in Hindi. Try to convert these dialogues that you have with yourself in English. Instead of speaking in your mother tongue, try to convert little little. So when you're eating good food, right? What do you say? If the food is very spicy, it's like अरे बहुत तीखा है पानी दो. So, small things like this, you can be like, the food is so spicy, please give me a glass of water. So, just simple things like this, you can start communicating in English. This is the first thing. Second, I would encourage you to watch some interviews of your favorite celebrities. Okay. So first
I
watch
watched
the interview.
today and yesterday. I watched the like Priyanka Chopra interview.
Great, great. Okay, so what you have to do now, you watch the interview, right? Now, once the interview is completed, play it again. And this time, when the interviewer asks the question, pause the video, you become the celebrity and you answer the way you would have answered if you were actually a
Okay,
celebrity.
this is the
Yeah.
new.
Yeah, of course, right? So this way you'll feel like you have a speaking partner, someone is asking you questions and you are giving answers. So if possible, you can even try to record yourself on another mobile phone so that you can listen to your voice, how you're speaking, what is your volume, what is the clarity of your speech. You can analyze these things also. So this is the activity number 2 that you can follow if you don't have anyone else to communicate with in English. Okay.
Okay,
All
thank
right.
you, ma'am.
You're welcome. You're welcome, Pooja. And yes, you are a bundle of positive energy. I had an amazing, amazing session with you. And if I have to give you any feedback, any recommendation, uh, pause. Okay. I feel like when you want to become fluent, sometimes you don't allow yourself to breathe. You speak very fast. So I would encourage you to maybe pause after one sentence, breathe for 1 or 2 seconds, and then go ahead with the next sentence. This way, you will also feel very calm and collected and you won't feel exhausted. All right.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
this is the first thing. And second, I would like to share one amazing website with you since you told me that you like watching entertaining videos to learn English, short stories, etc. So, I'll just paste that in the chat. You can take a screenshot or you can copy it if you can and try to visit this website and try to learn from it. It's very
Okay.
entertaining. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Is it done? Did you take the screenshot?
Your video is not.
No,
No,
I
no, I
have
didn't
turned it
get.
off so that it is in the chat, dear. You can, it's testenglish.com. Okay, so
Okay.
test-english.com. There you have to go to the grammar section and you have to learn a bit of the tenses. All right, so take one tense at a time. So there are 12. So take one tense per day and try to perfect it and take it easy. Enjoy the process. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, Pooja. I hope to see you again. So have a lovely day. Take care of your health. So I'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Same to you.